Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, February 15th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Aussie dollar monthly, I still think this is part of a WXY, and I think we're in an ABC of wave Y, just like the wave W had three waves and the wave X had three waves. I think the wave Y needs to make an ABC of wave Y. Probably eventually go up and take out these highs, most likely all the way up to one of these higher Fibonacci extension levels. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still think this push up right here is a 1. I still believe this push down is a 2. I am definitely still looking for the evidence that the wave 2 is over because that would be the beginning of a wave 3. And most likely the wave 3 would be the biggest, strongest wave of a trend. So we definitely want to try to identify the end of this wave 2 on shorter time frames. Taking it down to the daily time frame, the Aussie is starting to gain a little bit of strength. Now, for me, I'm very conservative with my trading, and I'm definitely primarily still looking for shorts until I see a break of starts to the upside. Once I see that break of starts to the upside, which we, as you'll notice, we have not had a break of starts to this move down yet. But once we do get that, that should tell me that the wave 2 is over and that we are actually going back up for that big wave 3, just like what I was showing on the higher time frames. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, I mean, this move up is definitely pretty strong, but we definitely don't have a break of structure. This easily could make a lower high and just keep on trending down. So for me, I am definitely primarily looking for shorts in a downtrend unless price goes up and takes out this high right here, which if that happens, that definitely will help turn me into a buyer. So heading down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on here. Now I'm still looking at this move up as a possible ABC. It looks like a trend, seems like it would be a wave A. Looks like this could be a crescent, like a wave B. Now we're in the third wave up, so if this third wave up really is a wave C, then it will make a Fibonacci bounce. Nice, big, impulsive, engulfing move to the downside. If I see this picture right here, that is going to be my next entry to go short for the continuation of the downtrend. But I would be a little cautious. I mean, I definitely wouldn't try to go short unless I see this picture right here with a Fibonacci bounce with a big bearish engulfing move to the downside just in case it does just keep on trending up. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.